Hello everybody. In this module I will demonstrate how to remove the MRI compatible Connect Care module and replace it with the ICU compatible Connect Care module for our Aestiva 5 MRI Anesthetic Gas Machine. This will allow this gas machine to stream all of its values into Connect Care. So first, grab your ICU compatible module. Go to the back of the gas machine and remove the MRI compatible module. Once you have removed it, you can now replace it with your ICU compatible module. Note there are two ports. The port we're using is the upper port. Place it in and screw it in. Now your anesthetic gas machine will be able to stream its values into Connect Care.